Hey guys, 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. How to reset the oil light. All these Camaros, they're the same way. So what you do is, first thing is, you're gonna put the key in the ignition, you're gonna turn the key, and once you have the key turned on, make sure you have hood and everything closed. Like this one is showing a sign the hood is open, but that doesn't affect us. Because what I'll do is I'll press this button on this side here. So to reset the light, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this menu button on this side here. This is the menu button. So what you do is you look at the screen at the same time. If you can see better this way, my light is reflecting it. So what you do is you press the menu, you go to vehicle information, and then you can scroll up and down with this button just like that. And once you get to that percentage of the oil, you simply press this side button here, push it in, and then it's going to ask you for yes or no in the screen here. You scroll up yes, and then you press the side button one more time, and it will go on to 100%. So that's how you do the oil reset on this car, and this only takes a few seconds. If you have a 2010, 11, 12 model of Chevrolet Camaro, and it's the same procedure.